Hey, Joe, I was just hoping for some tips and tricks to better help me with my clients or my work or my business. Make it stop, please. This is a very typical ask when I meet someone in coaching for the first time. When I ask them, what are they hoping to gain from our session? Some form of that above materializes. And look, I want to share these gems, but that's not the place to start because tips and tricks rarely work. Why? Because first and foremost, we humans do not like being told what to do. Simply put, advice is adversarial. What are you trying to accomplish by asking others for the answers? And when you get them, what do you do to implement them into your daily routine? About 40% of what we do every day is considered a habit. And habits are hard to change. We all know that, which is why we have such a large habit changing industry. I could go into all the ways a habit is constructed and all the experts' ideas on how to change them. In the end, it takes conviction that the change you want to make and are probably avoiding by asking everyone else for the tip or trick they may or may not actually use will make a real impact on your life and work. Yeah, I say look at the value or values that are getting scuffed up and frustrating you. Use them as the determining factor in whether to implement a change. Your core values are your governor here. If you're candid about them, they won't let you down. And by the way, hippos are tricky. That's my tip for you.